the main source of nutrients or acidity for the Murky Lake, Clear Lake, and Marsh. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Victoria Lee, and I'm the Senior Scientist of Aquatic Chemistry Period 7. My technicians were Doree Richards and Anna Cunningham. Basically, what we tested was the hardness and nitrate levels of Murky Lake water at various depths. We also collaborated with the other aquatic chemistry groups, and we tested the hardness and nitrate levels of the water at 3 various locations: Clear Lake, Marsh, and Runoff. Nitrates are basically water-soluble ions consisting of nitrogen and oxygen. They aid in the growth of algae, which can potentially cause algal blooms and can severely harm organisms living in the water. Hardness is the calcium and magnesium amounts in the water, as well as a variety of other metal ions. So basically what we did, we went to Murky Lake to collect the water samples using our gadget, which consisted of a meter stick with a syringe attached to the bottom. This allowed us to collect the water at the certain depths that we wanted. We collected at the surface, then a shallow depth, middle, and deep. After we collected the water samples, we took it to the lab or the classroom, and we tested the hardness and nitrate levels, doing 3 trials for each depth. We recorded the data and made observations. Then for the second part of the experiment, dealing with the 3 various locations, we collaborated with the other aquatic chemistry groups and obtained the water samples from the surface of the locations that they tested. So these are our results for Murky Lake at the various depths. This is hardness and nitrate, and we tested surface, shallow, middle, and deep. These are our results for Clear Lake, Marsh, and Runoff water, and all this is from the surface. So for our conclusion, basically, for the hardness levels of Murky Lake at the various depths, the middle depth had the greatest hardness level with an average of 800 ppm, while the surface had the lowest hardness level with an average of 51.67 ppm. For the nitrate, all our results ended up being zeros. We did have some error analysis for both hardness